Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024, and now we're ready to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 17th of September, 2024, our system has ranked Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.13. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 5.57% since we first suggested purchasing Apple just 3 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.86% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock currently sits in the middle of a broad and modest rising trend in the short term, indicating a further increase within this trend. The present 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 2.26% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 6.25% to positive 6.64%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 24.06% over the coming year, with a possible return between 0.15% and 31.98%. This implies a price range of between $229.21 to $302.06 after a year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline: Apple's stock price ended at $228.87 on Thursday after gaining 3.71%. The Apple stock price gained 3.71% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024, rising from $220.69 to $228.87. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues this upward trend or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 2.31%, with a day low of $224.64 and a day high of $229.82. The price has increased on 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.92% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume has also risen on the last day, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 8 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 66 million shares changed hands for approximately $15.18 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $237.23, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price stands 3.52%, or $8.36, below the 52-week high of $237.23, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. has recently been in the spotlight for several pivotal developments that could significantly impact its stock in both the short and long term. On the 19th of September, Jim Cramer highlighted Apple as one of the top performers expected to benefit from the Federal Reserve's latest rate cuts, suggesting positive momentum for technology stocks amid economic shifts. In a separate announcement, Apple joined California's mobile driver's license pilot program, allowing residents to add their driver's licenses to Apple Wallet. This initiative could enhance customer engagement and solidify Apple's ecosystem, potentially boosting long-term growth as digital identities become more prevalent. However, Apple faces challenges as the European Union has warned the company about its operating systems. On a positive note, T-Mobile's CEO confirmed that the new iPhone 16 is performing better than the previous model, which is a strong indicator of consumer demand. Additionally, Apple Cinema's deal to introduce advanced ScreenX auditoriums signifies its efforts to expand into new markets, enhancing brand visibility. Overall, while short-term price gains may arise from external economic factors, ongoing regulatory challenges and consumer behavior will be crucial for Apple's stock trajectory in the coming months. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Apple a grade of overweight with a recommendation to hold. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, it was reported that CFRA rated Apple with a buy grade and also recommended a hold. On Monday, the 16th of September, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned a negative grade to Apple with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was also reported that Bank of America Securities rated Apple as neutral with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Company gave Apple a buy grade along with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. However, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two signals, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at $221.51 and $221.56. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, the volume is increasing alongside the price, which is a favorable technical indicator. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, August 29, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 0.4%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 97 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 85 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $219.86. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $5.18, representing a change of 2.31%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.66%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively typical PE ratio, often observed in companies with established histories or consistent revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.60. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $228.88. If you do not own any shares, you might want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $219.86. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of August, 2024, Chris Kondo executed an insider sale of 8,706 shares of common stock. On the 9th of August, 2024, Chris Kondo conducted another insider sale, this time of 5,178 shares of common stock. On the 5th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams performed an insider sale of 97,600 shares of common stock. On the same day, Catherine L. Adams also sold 2,400 shares of common stock. Then, on the 7th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams sold 4,500 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 32.772. In total, insiders purchased 1,401,454 shares, while selling 2,716,460 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $219.47, which represents a decline of 4.11%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, resulting in a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 31 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple shows several positive indicators. However, we still do not find these sufficient to recommend a purchase at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while we await further developments. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 20th of September, we anticipate Apple will open down $1.09, starting at $227.78. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.